Hello, my name is Prince. This is our vacuum sealing equipment and we use it to seal samples. So in case for us to study samples at higher temperature and we want to know how the temperature affects our samples, we use the vacuum seal equipment and then we seal our sample in the glass tube and then we vacuum seal it and fill it with the argon gas. So in that case, we can try heat treatment on our samples without interference of oxygen, and that helps us to study samples at different temperatures and also different microstructures. Thank you.
この試験機は形状記憶合金の形状回復を測定する装置です。ここに資料をセットして実際の測定を行います。